Hey, what's up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. Alright, so we're going to talk about Tesla again. Alright, so as we all know, their quarter three earnings report came out, and they blew it out of the water, which I knew they were going to, actually. They were up in revenue 130%. And I know the haters of Tesla don't like that. But with all this good news, there are still analysts out there that will say bad things about Tesla. I even heard one say that Tesla will be worth $200 a share here soon. For me, I like listening to like these fund managers, or like the people that have like millions of money into Tesla, and listening to them talk. You know, their passion with their investments into Tesla. The ones that are saying, you know, there's a couple of them that are saying that they're seeing Tesla, you know, going to be $2,000 a share, $3,000 a share, $4,000 a share. I'm sure plenty of people have actually heard people make those claims. And I'm actually with those people. I'm definitely, as an investor, I'm hoping that that stock will go there. You know, my feeling of Tesla is kind of like how like Amazon or Google was, you know. They did really well their first 10 years. It just kept growing, but you know, their other 10 years of the company, it's just massive. Like Amazon, just this last 10 years, mainly like these last 5 years, that company went up big time. And that's my hope for Tesla. Tesla had 10 years to figure it out, and now they are a profitable company. They now have made a profit, and my feeling is that it's just going to keep going from there. There's just going to be great things that are now really going to be happening. This is a company now that's going to get really exciting, and it's not going to be a company worth it for the short sellers to really get into because of that reason. You know, a couple people here on YouTube have made fun of me for being long on Tesla, and I say now, Tesla is a profitable company, and it's gone up a bit on real proof good news, not on just, you know, speculation or anything. And the more interesting thing about everything that's going on with Tesla is that the operating expense is going down, actually, and the revenue growth is actually going up. You know, because they burned through so much cash to get to everything to get where they need to be with everything, and now that's all moving along. And now they're cranking out, you know, like 1,000 Teslas a day. And so this is a company now that can hit numbers of 7,000 cars a week. They have other models coming out, and they haven't even tapped into the cheaper Model 3s that they have coming out, which from what I understand, there's going to be a great profit margin on those cars as well. And when we look at Tesla cars as like a luxury car price, like compared to like a Mercedes, a BMW, in the United States, Tesla is actually #1 bestseller compared to those ones. Compared to luxury car models, Tesla is the #1 best-selling car brand in the United States now. And then when we think even further here, when we think about other electric car companies, electric cars that are out there, that the bigger companies like Ford and GM are producing, we have to think about the battery, and we have to think about the gigafactories and stuff that Tesla has. Tesla has made those investments to get to where they need. Now, I don't know anything about what Ford has as far as producing batteries for electric vehicles, or what GM has for producing batteries for electric vehicles, but Tesla is the one that is just able to crank these things out. They have their own factories to produce their own batteries to put in their own cars. And when we think about the stock of where it's going to go, we have to think about Tesla, about their gigafactory that they're building in Shanghai. You know, they're getting into that Asian market, but that's something that's not going to be available for a while. I mean, we're talking about a year, 2 years out there that there's going to be production being built out there, but they have a plan for for the future of their continuous growth and where they're going to get into, you know, in the rest of the world. So Elon Musk is saying that here on out, Tesla will be a profitable company. Now, I'm going to go bullish this company for that reason, not just because he says that, because I know he says a lot of things, but I'm seeing that this bullish idea of Tesla is actually right in some ways. So I'm definitely going to continue to buy into Tesla to say if this is something that like Amazon was, if this is a company that is going to, you know, just go into some massive growth. If right now the share price is going to go 10 times of its current value over the next 10 years, say like 2030 or whatever, then I definitely want to be there for that ride. But we'll see. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. I have new videos coming out all the time. Please subscribe. Thank you.